Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons again. So, in this video, I'm going to share a good news with you. So, as you know, 2 months ago, at the beginning of January, we started a reading challenge with intermediate level students. So it went really well. Around 40 students joined the challenge, and as much as I know, the feedback were really good about challenge. And I decided to start a new one. But this challenge, this one, will be in March. So we will start after one day, not tomorrow, but other day we will start. And it is for elementary level. So yes, it won't be really hard. So I will try to send you texts during the 30 days every morning. Not a really hard text. It will be more or less for elementary level, but first text will be even easier because I want you to review like these beginner topics, what we teach during our beginner courses, okay? So until end it will getting harder and harder, but it won't be really hard, so I promise, because I want to improve your basic skills, okay? I want you to read more, to see more examples and the new structures of the Kurdish sentences, right? So we will start in 2 days. It will take 30 days, and yes, as I said, each morning you will get a text, which vocabulary, and then exercise. So it won't be really long because my aim is to just make you read for 10 or 15 minutes, just like you will read, not really hard, and you will have a check vocabulary which are important for me, or which I want to teach you during these texts, and then 5 more questions about text, and that's all. So it won't be really hard. That's why it is easy to read. It doesn't take too much time, and after you read the text, so you will feel better. And if you read during the 30 days, I am sure that it will improve your reading skills, vocabulary skills. You will, and if you memorize sentences and change them according to you, according to your life, so you will be ready for conversations. Because, for example, let's say there is a text, it says, Sekachen Wihana, he has 3 daughters. And instead of we, if you put min, so you will be ready to say, I have 3 daughters. Say, so I want you to read sentences and change them according to your lifestyle, for your hobbies, your lives, your family. So that's why reading is really important, and you have to read several times. So since you get them, they will be with you forever. Just you can download them into your computer. Even if you can print them and work on them. So it is really useful to have a text which suits your level and will make you feel better, So after you read, you understood everything, so you feel more comfortable. You are more ready to speak, to have a conversation with a native, right? So yeah, it was the news, my happy news for you. And we will start in 2 days. So if you want to join us, our Gmail address is kurdishlessons.com, or you can join on website, as I said, kurdishlessons.com, or you can send me an email, kurdish-lessons2019@gmail.com. And if you don't want to join it in March, if you don't feel ready, so I keep all these challenges on our website. So whenever you want, you can order it and you can have all the texts. But it is nice to start 1st of March and get one text each day, because if you have all the texts at once, it can be hard to decide which one to start. But when you get them day by day, it is just easier to choose, to read. So I hope you will join us and you will advance your reading skills. It will help you a lot. Join us and learn with us and improve your skills with us. Paka paka!